Everything I am bringing with me for a week in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. Favorite backpack I've ever owned. You wanna come with me? And for sure overthinking is fine. Everyone comes out. Hey, Colby. I actually don't know how to pack light for a working trip. I've never felt like this leaving for a trip. In total, I am bringing Colby. Let's see how much you weigh over weight in a few days. 6.6 pounds. You're so big. Well, I think we know based on the title of this video what we're doing here today. Colby, if you could stop trying to eat the tripod, that'd be awesome. It has been a while since I have done one of these prep and pack with me videos. I've just been pretty much at home the last 6 months, and it is finally time to get back to traveling again. I have literally 3 trips booked in the next 3 weeks. Okay, can we not, Colby? We're better than this. You know not to bite me, which is crazy because I've gone from like not doing anything for 6 months to just right off the bat. We recently found all of Colby's toys because he had buried them. There's like 5 of these and 4 of his little fish that are somewhere, and he buried all of them under my bedside table. And I searched everywhere for them, and there's like hardly a crack under the bedside table, so I had to like dig my arm in there to get them out. But we found them. Hi. I'm going to Mexico with my family, or at least part of my family. Last year was like a full everybody, and now this year we only have a few people, just with like scheduling and planning and stuff like that. Me and my mom and one of my brothers and an aunt and my grandparents. Yeah, you're being very cute and cuddly, which is good because I'm gonna be without you for a week, and that's so sad. I've actually never felt like this before leaving for a trip. Like, I'm not really one to get homesick, and I'm like preemptively missing Colby. I'm like actually already sad about it. I do have a neighbor coming over to check up on him and give him wet food twice a day because his litter box and dry food and water fountain are all automatic. And then hang out with him and play with him and cuddle with him because he sleeps with me every single night, like cuddled up with me on my chest usually. But I do in fact leave tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. and I'm sleeping over at my parents' house tonight because we're leaving from there. I haven't even so much as thought about packing. It's like noon right now. So, I love you so much. Yeah. You gonna give me nose kisses? Or are you not in the mood right now? Not in the mood, you're a little too chaotic for nose kisses. But this is a different prep and pack with me video than anyone I've ever done before because I have a cat, which means not only do I have to pack, but I have to like prep, ow, all of his things. No. Let's go. Oh, I forgot about that. I forgot that I stacked all of the clothes that I've gotten at like bag day sales, thrifted basically. I stacked them directly on top of my suitcase because I need to visually see them so that I remember that I need to try them on and decide if I actually want to keep them or not. I will not, of course, be bringing a full-size suitcase. This is carry-on only because I literally don't know how to travel not in carry-on. The suitcase I'm going to be bringing is my level 8 suitcase. This is not sponsored, though they have sponsored me in the past. But I just genuinely love this suitcase so much. I have it obviously in the carry-on size and then the regular full size. I don't think I'm gonna use packing cubes. I don't usually use packing cubes when I'm using a suitcase. I'll leave them out. We'll see. You have never even seen this before. This is new to you. You wanna come with? Okay, so mostly it is Colby. Yeah. I will link all of my cat things down below, which is not the point of this video, but I feel like I'm gonna end up talking about it a lot later when I go to do all his refills. Genuinely, getting all the automatic things have been the best ever, especially considering how much I'm gone. There are days when I'm gone for 12 hours, and so I'm just not having to worry about any of that. It's so nice. Yeah. Packing this should be pretty easy for me. I will go through at the end, like the final layout, but I also do have to pack some warm stuff because I sleep outside. I've been doing it for years. They have a balcony and they have a really nice couch on the balcony, and I sleep outside, so I fall asleep to the sound of the ocean, and it's just like a perfect temperature. I think it gets down to maybe 65
outside overnight, and it doesn't ever rain when we're there, and there's no bugs. It's just, you can't get a better sleeping outside experience, honestly. In case you're wondering, this is where he hid all of his toys. Literally in this crack. He's already put one down there again. I got them last night. Stop hiding all your toys down there. You can't get them out because it's too small. Don't worry, I'm not bringing all of these. I'm just trying to decide what ones I am going to bring. No. No claws. No claws. So this is actually right where I'm going to be putting stuff. I'm going to grab, I think, tops, tank tops, t-shirts, etc. and lay them out, and then I'll decide what goes together. I would just like to say I'm for sure overthinking this and doing too much, making more work for myself. Oh, I forgot that I have a bunch of cute new tank tops that I hardly even got to wear. Oh, this just got a lot more exciting. Hey yo, can we not? Bro. Colby, I'm gonna have to kick you out of this room again if we can't handle it. Can you handle it? I don't think you can handle it. I don't think you're ready for this gently. I genuinely think it would be easier for me to pack for a 6-week backpacking trip than a 1-week vacation. Okay, what kind of clothes do we need? I love you so much. Please, let me do this in peace. Please. I can hang out with you more if you let me do it in peace. It's fine. It's fine. Everyone calm down. Everyone calm down. It's fine. Sit. If you can sit and be calm, that's fine. I actually don't know how to pack light for a 1-week trip. How can I pack the same amount of clothes for a 6-week trip as for 1 week? That doesn't make any sense. Colby, no. Colby, please do not chew on my tripod. What are we doing now? What are we doing? Bro. Definitely overpacking. This is crazy. It is now time to pick swimsuits. I think I've only gotten one new one since last year, and I got it in Hawaii. I'm gonna bring that one. Oh, still smells like the ocean. That's nice. I act like I've never cut back to me saying at the beginning of this video that this was not going to be a hard packing vlog for me to do. Bringing more than 3 swimsuits is ridiculous. Okay, I think I've decided. My 3 swimsuits for this trip are 1, going to be the Hawaii purple and green one. Honestly, relatively sturdy, and I also jerry-rigged it so that it didn't tie behind my neck because it's supposed to be like a typical triangle top, but I hate that. I hate the feeling of it pulling around my neck. It's so uncomfortable. The bottoms are also tie. These I got at PacSun, navy blue with white floral on it. Again, these ones tie in the back. They're supposed to do that. And then I usually make sure I bring like 1 sturdy swimsuit that I can like be in the waves for and don't have to be worried about anything. I'm bringing this Billabong one. I've had it for a few years. It's a little bit more high-waisted, and then the top is just a little bit more sturdy, has a cute tie in the front. You feel less like things are gonna pop out. Those are my 3 swimsuits. Okay, I think I figured out all my clothes. That took way longer than it needed to. So let's go through it quick, shall we? Colby just climbed on top of my dryer. You can get up, but can you get back down? Do you want my help? I'm kind of up there for a while. You looked a little bit uncertain of it. You want to come with me? There you go. You can come with. In total, I am bringing 5 cute tank tops, 4 athletic tank tops, 3 bras, 5 pairs of underwear, 2 pairs of socks, 3 bikinis, 1 pair of sweat shorts, 1 workout shorts, 3 pairs of linen shorts, 1 pair of jean shorts, 3 oversized t-shirts, 1 pair of linen pants, 1 pair of leggings, 1 pair of sweatpants, 1 dress, 2 sweatshirts, 1 long sleeve, and 2 swimsuit cover-ups. So basically the only things that I left out of my suitcase, fully packed, easy, like didn't even have to try to close that at all, are what I'm wearing tomorrow on the plane and putting on my backpack. So on the plane, I'm wearing my leggings, bra, socks, underwear, one of my t-shirts, this sweatshirt, and then I'm gonna put this pair of shorts in my backpack that I can change into as soon as we land because it'll be hot, and then I can take off my sweatshirt and t-shirt, and I'll just have this
tank top on and wearing the regular works, obviously. Okay, I'm taking a little bit of a break right now. I'm making lunch. I have some pasta on the stove. I'm trying to like eat up the last things that I have in my fridge. I'm watching some Smosh Reddit stories. If you have not heard of Smosh, first of all, they're so funny. But they have this channel where they read Reddit stories, and it's my new hyperfixation. The last like 2 weeks probably, I'm just constantly putting these Smosh Reddit videos on because they're so funny and insane. Because obviously it's Reddit stories on top of them reading and reacting to them. I am gathering stuff on the floor here that I will put in my backpack. But I think after I eat and have a little break, I'm gonna do cat stuff because the idea of putting it all in my backpack right now sounds atrocious. Looking pretty good right now. Like time-wise, I'm doing okay. It's 2:30. I have to be at my parents' house at 5:30 because we're gonna eat dinner. We're doing okay. Let's fill up all Colby's various things. The first thing I do is fill up his water fountain, which is really easy. Literally all you have to do is just pour more water into the top. Yeah, Colby. See the max line, so I can put a little bit more in there. Oh, I'm spilling a lot. Ah, there you go, fresh water for you, Colb. And I'm just gonna leave that out here on the counter because my cat sitter knows that she can do that, so I'm just gonna leave that out there. And then we need to refill this measuring cup. We need to refill his food and his litter box. It is kitty litter, not kitty litter. This is his cat food. It is kitty cat food, like specific for kittens. I have the Purina One Healthy Kitten. This is also, oh, hello, Colby. I know I'm a little backlit right now, but you're just showing them your butthole. Turn your fish back, fish. There you go. This is also really easy. You just lift up the top lid here. There's still a decent amount left, but I'm just gonna fill it up so that my neighbor doesn't have to worry about it. Look, you got a gift. Here you go, have a gift. I think this is only the third time I've filled it up and it's not even close to empty yet, so I didn't really need to fill it up. And I have it set to go 4 times a day because he's a kitty. 7 a.m., noon, 5 p.m., and 10 p.m. It's honestly so great. Now I gotta fill up the litter box. Here's his litter box. It's phenomenal. It's automatic. You can see the max line of litter, so I could fill it up more. There's a min line, so you can see that. You know, you gotta fill more up. Censored if there's a lot of poop in here. I probably yeah. There we go. Now we can reset because I put a whole bunch of new litter in there, so it just basically reshuffles the litter around so it's nice and even. Put your box back. Pretty much the last thing that I have to do is pack up my personal item backpack. It is this Bag Smart backpack. I've had it for almost a year now. It was something that I got sponsored, but it is my favorite backpack I've ever owned in my entire life. I will have a link down for it below. It's amazing. Literally cannot recommend it enough. I have laid out everything that I'm putting in here and I'm just kind of run through it pretty quickly. I have gone through this so many times and it's pretty much the same every single time. This back flap is like laptop sleeve and stuff like that. So I'm going to put my laptop in this back pocket here. Journal, my Kindle needs to go in here as well. Down here, there are these pockets that I put chargers, all of those in because I have a lot. Then I have like a power bank that I have put in this little tech bag with all my extra little chargers. Colby, you're sitting. I just wiped your butt with this cord. That was nice, thank you. Phone charger, and I think that's it for that pocket. And then the top opens up like a clamshell kind of, or like half of a suitcase. There is on the bottom a shoe holder, whatever that's called. I don't have an extra pair of shoes because they are just going in my other bag. I'm putting in here, this is a diving waterproof case. I'm gonna bring that with. Book. Oh, my toiletries. Not gonna go through this. I'm pretty minimal with toiletries. I just have like face wash, moisturizer, acne stuff, toothbrush, hair gel, shampoo and conditioner, bar shampoo and conditioner, comb, and brush. And that's pretty much it. Like nothing, I don't wear makeup, nothing fancy there. I do have this little box of Jewelry, again, just kind of like regular stuff that I wear. Colby's making a lot of noise. Just like regular stuff that I wear all the time. I should unzip it. Yeah, Colbs? You just pooped, huh? That might have been, no, that probably was poop. It does expand another 10 liters, so it just like unzips. And now I have extra space in there. Oh, and all of these clasps were tied all the way shut. I was like, there should be able to fit a lot more in here. There we go. That's so much better. I was like, why is this so tight? Tripod, allergy medication, vitamins, pens. In this top pocket here, I am going to put things like gum, my hair clips, AirPods, sunglasses, hair towel. Even when I go backpacking, I bring 2 hair towels with me. It's just something that I have to do. Will be fish. Fish boy. Fish boy. And then I'm bringing my fanny pack, trusty fanny pack, Advil, my wallet, my passport, that's important. And then I have this purse. I got this in Singapore actually when I was coming back from volunteering in Bali. And then this tote bag that I got in Sydney, Australia. It is the best tote bag I've ever had ever. It's really sturdy and it has this like pocket up on the top to put like all your little things in. And of course my trusty water bottle that goes with me literally everywhere. And I think that's it. That is everything that I'm bringing with me for a week to Mexico, Puerto Vallarta. I have to leave in like 30 minutes, so we really just got this finished. So yeah, but that's it. There you go. That's it. That's everything I am bringing with me for a week in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. I'm actually really impressed with how fast I did this. Like, I think I started less than 4 hours ago. I feel like that was pretty good. And I like made lunch and I restocked cat stuff. That was pretty good. That was probably one of my most succinct packing, even though in the middle when I was working on my clothes, it was not looking good there for a minute, but we did it. I'll see you in Mexico. I just realized I have to say goodbye to Colby. Oh no, Colby. Crying? No. Bye, Colby. Bye, Colby. I'm so sad. I've never felt like this leaving for a trip, ever. You don't understand, though. I'm not gonna see you for a week. Stop trying to leave. This is devastating.